Welcome back to Code and Conquer Daily, where we solve a new LeetCode problem every single day. If this helps you out, please hit the like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe so you never miss tomorrow's solution. Today we're tackling problem number 3635, earliest finish time for land and water rides 2. LeetCode problem number 3635, earliest finish time for land and water rides 2. You are visiting a theme park with two kinds of attractions, land rides and water rides. Each ride has an opening time and a duration, and once it opens, you may board it at that moment or any later moment, finishing duration units. Later, you must experience exactly one land ride and exactly one water ride, in either order. The moment you finish one, you can immediately board the other, or wait if it is not yet open. Return the earliest possible time at which both rides will be finished. For example, given landStartTime equals 2, 8, landDuration equals 4, 1, waterStartTime equals 6, waterDuration equals 3, the expected output is 9. The most direct idea is to try every pair of one land ride and one water ride, and for each pair consider both orderings. For a given ordering, we start the first ride at its opening time, see when it ends, then start the second ride at the later of that finish time and the second ride's opening, and record the final finish time. We keep the smaller of the two orderings for the pair, and finally the smallest across all pairs. This is correct. But it examines roughly n times m combinations, which is far too slow n. Each array can hold up to 50,000 rides. The complexity here is O, n asterisk m, time, O, 1, space. The key observation is that once we fix an ordering, say land first then water, the only thing about the land side that matters for a chosen water ride is how early some land ride can possibly finish. So for the land then water ordering, we first scan the land rides to find the minimum finish time, which is the smallest start plus duration. Then for each water ride, we compute the maximum of that minimum land finish and the water opening time plus the water duration, and keep the smallest such value. We repeat the same trick with water first then land, and return the smaller of the two answers. Each phase is a single pass over each array, so the algorithm runs in linear time with constant extra space. The complexity here is O, n plus m, time, O, 1, space. Now let's implement the optimal solution in C++. I'll write it out step by step so you can follow along. Thanks so much for watching. If this helped, give the video a like, share it with someone who's learning, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you never miss tomorrow's LeetCode solution. See you in the next one.